There are big changes on the business side of this legislation. There's also the criminal justice element. As Quinn mentioned, people convicted of minor marijuana possession and other misdemeanors will have their records wiped clean through a process called expungement.
Our Darian Leddy caught up with a local attorney who leads the Rochester Expungement Clinic. And Darian, how exactly does this process work? How will it play out?
Well, Tom and Caitlin, when this law is passed, all documents related to that misdemeanor marijuana conviction are sealed through a bunch of agencies, from the police department to the courts to probation offices. Now, the Minnesota Bureau of Criminal Apprehension says that this will impact 66,000 Minnesotans, and they will now be able to get that prior conviction expunged. And the attorney I spoke to says that this will open a lot of doors to these folks.
DFL lawmakers are celebrating the passage of the cannabis bill, pointing out the parts that they say will benefit both the economy and the justice system.
Most importantly, that puts front and center in this legislation the expungement piece to make sure that we are undoing some of the harm that we have done as a state through the prohibition of cannabis.
The law makes it so misdemeanor marijuana-related convictions, like small amounts found in a vehicle, are automatically expunged, while other marijuana-related convictions, like first through fifth degree possession, are taken to a new board.
If the offense would not be illegal after August 1st of 2023, the legislature wants to vacate those convictions, to resentence folks, and to expunge records.
Borgen works with hundreds of folks looking to get marijuana-related convictions expunged. He says many of his clients run into roadblocks when looking for employment and housing because of these prior convictions.
Under the existing law, those are the factors that the court is required to look at in determining whether an individual is entitled to expungement. The goal is to provide people relief who have marijuana related convictions.
And since the bill has been making its way through committees and onto the governor's desk Tuesday, Borgen's been seeing a high demand for his services.
The phone's been ringing quite a bit. People have been calling to want to know how they're going to get relief.
Borgen says that the process could take a couple of months. It doesn't take overnight, so people should be patient when looking to get these convictions expunged. Now, the Olmsted County Law Library Expungement Clinic is open every other month. We will have more information on our website how you can get connected with them if you are interested in getting a prior conviction expunged. Reporting live in downtown Rochester, Darian Leddy, KTTC News.